Hyper-urbanization is here. More than half of the population now live in cities. It has broken our link to nature that is integral to us, putting our bodies in a state of deficiency. Experts call it nature deficit disorder, a growing health concern among people living in the city. In response, people tend to consume any natural product to make up for this deficiency, unaware that it might even be harmful to them. Sekaya, the brand that restores your link to nature. Sekaya harnesses the healing benefits of nature, validated by the exacting standards of science. In merging the best of nature and science, Sekaya creates the ideal solutions that bring nature back into our lives. Prescribing Nature. Sekaya.